I don't know how I got up so early. I checked time on phone. It's only 4 o'clock. Bit surprised with how I got up so early. Suddenly, while phone was still in my hand, I received a message in WhatsApp. My friend's brother has met with an accident. He is in between life and death. He has asked for the prayer help because only God can save him. I could no longer stay on the bed. I got myself freshened. I went to chapel. Kneeling before the Lord, I prayed sincerely from my heart so that God may intervene and save him. I offered him along with the bread and wine on the altar. Hours passed. Almost at 10 o'clock, I received the news of his death. Tears ran down from my eyes, but I controlled myself. I asked God, why you did not hear my prayer? Not only me, but many prayed. Still, why you did not heal him? He was your obedient child, prayerful, helpful, and beloved of all. Why did you cut short his life? Or you didn't like him that you called him early? Jesus replied to me, how many years did Dominic Savio, Maria Goretti, or Agnes of Rome live? Does that mean I don't like them? I called them so that they may be with me. I asked Jesus, Lord, if you don't like anyone, do they remain on earth so long? Jesus replied, there are many my beloved ones who gave testimony to my name till their last breath. I asked him with curiosity, who am I to you, Lord? I have never been an obedient child to you. Always I ran away from you. Why am I like this? Jesus whispered in my ears, my son, all are equal to me. I love all the same way. Some realize it fast, but some takes time. I have plans for each one. Jesus continued, you asked me why I did not hear your prayers. That's because I wanted all of you to pray for him, so that let his sins be washed away, and he may join the communion of saints. He gazed into my eyes and said, I have a plan for you too. You will realize it in the appropriate time. Pray and be ready to become my beloved.